Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a rainbow fish. Let's start drawing. I start with its eyes. I'm drawing a shape of its body. It's like a hand shape. Trying to draw and paint with me.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there.
It's a crown. Awesome.
Everywhere. Old MacDonald
And some drops of water.
E-I-E-I-O.
Well done. Let's make this beautiful drawing more visible.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Let's paint.
And on his farm he had a
I start with pink.
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here.
The next is yellow.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
I'm going to use the colors of rainbow. Amazing.
Old MacDonald had a farm,
Green,
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks,
red,
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a
orange,
there, here, there, everywhere.
yellow,
Old MacDonald
green,
had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
blue, orange,
Old
purple,
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
brown,
And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a
red,
here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a
orange,
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm,
blue,
E-I-E-I-O. Here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a
light blue.
E-I-E-I-O.
It looks so beautiful. See you on the next video.